Buddy, keep going. Keep going. Not too fast. Keep going. Okay. Even better. Dude. What? Get it. Good job, dude.
I was surprised.
You're surprised? Why?
Whew.
Why are you surprised? Was that crazy?
Yes.
Put your kickstand down, man.
No, you should have saw my reaction on the points. My front stop. I'm not sure if
Dude.
Andrew thought you were about to die or if Jackson was about to die.
I thought.
Here.
Oh.
Let him do it, Dad.
Good job.
All right.
Hey, remember, take your time. Be easy with it. Get used to it.
It is coming over, so.
You're good. Go for it.
It sounds like this guy.
Good boy.
Dad's over here being past Dad right now.
No, I can't. What if I get one?
He bought every bit of that himself. Good boy. And Bump's getting his little butt bouncing.
Uh-huh.
Still doing good though.
Yeah!
All right, real quick.
All right.
Don't put